Some of these so-called muftis may even say pool tables for youngsters are haram. So in our masjid, we have a games room, we have pool tables. I don't know, some of these so-called muftis may even say pool tables for youngsters are haram. And you have to deal with these kind of narrow-minded individuals. But pool tables, we have tennis tables, we have a basketball, we have football in an open hall. So one games room. But you don't have things like virtual reality, like PlayStation, because that really dumbs children down. You should have physical activities like table tennis, snooker, basketball, football. Archery is a bit dangerous. It might hit off point, but the point is that you have one is a games room. Second is activities, intellectual activities as well, quizzes for instance.
Yeah.
These are a few things I can mention, but really if you had a games room in the masjid on the side, your masjid will always be filled with young people.